Hey all, welcome to Bro Billionaire. This is your own Raghu. Now, what am I going to bring you today? Now, I'm going to bring you a bomb strategy. Now, this bomb strategy will definitely work. I will guarantee you, you can start implementing it by tomorrow. Very simple strategy. And I would like to put a disclaimer. This strategy is not mine. Originally, it's developed by some professional traders, and I got to know through Traders Carnival, and they used to trade using naked charts. But I'm going to show you a much more better way of using it using Camarilla pivots. Yes, you know I'm a Camarilla expert, and you know Camarilla pivots are pretty easy to use because of the predefined buy levels and sell levels, right? Now, why should we use 5 EMA, or why should we use any moving average? So quickly we'll go through it. So let's say this is a moving average. This can be 5 EMA or 5 moving average, 5 period moving average, 20 SMA, 200, 300, and whatever you call. It is just a moving average when you don't see the number tag to it, right? So if price is moving far away from this, what does it mean? Any moving average, whatever you're using, please understand this moving average. This will act as a mean. Mean means for any moving average, it's pretty simple. If it is going too far away, because of the way the high, low divided by the collective period of candles works, the average means price has to come back to same level, isn't it? Come back to mean. Similarly, it breaks, goes above, it has to come back to mean. Understood? Whatever exponential moving average, VWAP, whatever you're using, hope you understand this basic, right? Now, compared to this, when do we use 5 EMA? 5 EMA is, say, for example, this is 20 SMA, and then we have 5 EMA going. Now, this is a momentum indicator, right? It indicates momentum. Why no? Why 5? Why shouldn't we use 3? Why shouldn't we use 2? Why shouldn't we 1? To avoid whipsaw. For this trading strategy, only 5 EMA works. So keep 5 EMA, not 8 EMA, not 3 EMA. 5 is the best exponential moving average for this. Why we should use? Because when market breaks out in momentum, 5 EMA, the market tend to go along with 5 EMA. You know that I have released a lot of videos sharing the knowledge how 5 EMA works. But here you need to use in a different way. Now 5 EMA indicates momentum. It is on top of 20, on top of 50, on top of 15, on top of 10, on top of 8. It's a fast momentum, right? It indicates fast momentum. Now here, what you need to understand is whenever a complete candle high and low closes above 5 EMA, right? That is when you spot this trade. It's a scalping trade, which means, say, for example, from here, market just moved. Here, there is one candle completely closed outside the 5 EMA. Here, there is one candle. Here, there is one candle. Here, this has touched. Now you have one candle here. Now what we are using is we are using pivots. You know, pivots below is sell, above is buy. You know, support and resistance. I have a couple of good videos on Camarilla. You can watch those Camarilla pivots to understand the pivots. But here, when a candle closes like this above, and if this candle is formed near the resistance, it does not matter. Even if it is green, it does not matter. Color does not matter at all. All you need to do here is, how do you take the trade? Watch this. I'm going to make it very big. So this candle has completely closed outside 5 EMA. So your entry will be when the next candle breaks the close of this. Okay, wherever the candle has closed, if it breaks, that will be your entry. And what will be your stop loss? Wherever you entered, if price comes back and hit, that will be your stop loss. The entry point here will be your stop loss. Understood? That is how the trading works. And what should be your target? Your target should be 1:3. So if you're keeping 3-point stop loss or 4-point stop loss, your target should be 4 threes at 12. If you're having only 3-point stop loss, your target should be 9. And remember, this is a magic. It works because there will be several candles outside working both sides. This is Bank Nifty. Please to understand, when you're going, this is the pivot, you're looking for downside. Now all of a sudden here there is one candle closed below 5 EMA. Can a counter trade works when it breaks? Yes, it can work. Definitely it can work. But you need to consider that trading is a probability. Every trade has equal loss as well as equal winning opportunities. So keep your bias in one direction. If you're using this scalping method, stick to only this scalping method, right? Since yesterday I released a video, how to make money if you're in a full-time job, right? This is how much I made. I lost another 1,500 at the end. This was 8,500. This was around 6,500. Eventually, I closed at this amount of money. My capital is what, 50K. Today, it was less than that. Have I made the 5 to 10% of money? Yes, I make more or less. I make this money. Now, why I'm showing that is, suppose here it is going down. You have to enter immediately. If it comes back, you will exit. And you can keep on trading this any number of times. See, watch how beautifully it worked yesterday. Gap up, strong candle. You have one candle below 5 EMA. Do you feel you have to take? Because I told, this is at support, Nifty is at support. Now, where will be your entry be? The entry will be above this candle. You can keep high. I usually keep low of it. What will be a stop loss? This candle, this is your entry candle, right? This will be a stop loss. So you are entering when this candle closed. Some people can keep high also, your choice. What will be a stop loss? This will be a stop loss. This candle low, the entry candle low will be a stop loss. That is how you need to trade. If you keep this 1 or 2 points below, see, you have this much amount of money. Similarly, outside 5 EMA, so this entry candle high will be a stop loss. The moment it starts breaking, this will be your entry. Go for 1:2. That's all. Do not be greedy. Master this first. After mastering, if you're catching at the bottom, if you're catching at the top, you will have big entry. Sometimes you'll have very good entry points where you can make a lot of money. See, it's similar to this one. One candle reversal pin bar near pivot. You have one strong reversal pin bar before. This is a strong green candle, but did not see fall up. You have a reversal pin bar. You can wait. Your entry will be here. What will be a stop loss? Same candle, split second. If you've seen my trades, 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, that's all. So you will have quick money. If you want to wait, you can wait. But any trading should stick to the discipline, right? This is the range bound. If you're using scalping, if you're using this method, stick only to this method, guys. Now see here, you had a very strong candle, you have a doji, you anticipate market can reverse. Why you should wait till here? Why you should wait till here? So wait till here only, right? The moment it breaks high or the low, this is where I want less stop loss. This is the previous support. You can keep high or the close. My stop loss is this entry candle low. Now, if this is the low, see this one came and tested. If this is my stop loss, see how much money I can make. Now, how do you do that? Not on the index chart. This is the secret, guys, not on the index chart. So if this is, say, for example, today, let's go to Nifty. I'll show you. Today was expiring very tight. And I could have made 20K, but since because of my busy work day, I lost around 6K. Now, let's say this candle, right? This hit your stop loss. It came, hit your stop loss. Fair enough. Now, this candle, okay, you can go with this candle. Now, what will be this candle stop loss? This candle stop loss is this 15,700, right? This is the low because this is an engulfing candle also. You know the price action. With the price action, you can work beautifully. So this is your entry point. Understood? So this is 15,700. Now let's go to 15,700 CE so that you understand how exactly trading should be done. It should be done on this 5 minutes. I have put Camarilla and VWAP on that. You don't need anything. So I have used what? 20 SMA, right? I don't want VWAP. I just need, keep it very simple, guys. The strategy is so simple. This is what is going to make money. Do not mix it with any other indicators. It is a momentum indicator. Hope you understand. Be mature. Now, what time did we see Nifty? Nifty was, this was at 10 o'clock. Now, on this, the ATM option, 15,700. Watch here, 15,700 CE. This is 10:15. What time? What is the time frame we are using? 5 minutes, right? Today. 10:20, 10:15, 10 o'clock. Bank Nifty. This is today. Oh, sorry. I'm looking at day before yesterday. Let's come back to today, right? Today. Okay, it went. So we have at the top 15,890. So this was around, we have see here two candles here. This breaks, hits your stop loss. But when you have such a jumbo candle, can you think it can go short? I want a high. I want not near the pivot. These are support. I want near resistance. Above R4 is a breakout. Below R4, I want to see some price action. So I have this candle and this candle. Now I want to wait to break off this candle, right? See here, it comes. If this is your entry candle, it went down, came back and closed here. Now this is your stop loss. It hit your stop loss. Do not worry. I want again one more opportunity to go. That hit your stop loss. This is your range bound. Remember, your stop loss is 3 to 4 points. That is your stop loss even on an expiry if you use this strategy. So do not think that I don't want to lose, because a lot of you people lose entering at wrong location. If there is a strategy, be disciplined, use that strategy to make money. Let me show you one more strategy. All right. So this is the buying zone. I told if market comes, think this way. This can go up. If it breaks, take a counter trade. I told, right? So here, this is completely very strong candle outside 5 EMA. Now, where will be my entry? My entry will be here, right? And where will be my stop loss? My stop loss will be here. How much points you have? 15,817. Your stop loss is 15,806. This is at 1020. Watch it, because you need to know. This is 1020. This is where, how it works. I'll mark it for you. This is the 1020 candle. Your entry is here. 130 rupees. Let me make it big so that you can see it's around 130 rupees. What will be a stop loss? Same candle low. The stop loss is same candle low. That is 122. So if it is 130, around 8 points is your stop loss. Forget it. It's gone. It's gone. You will look for next opportunity. Where will be your next opportunity? Same near here. You have one candle here. Big candle, right? Now you will be entering. Now this is expiry. So what you have a expiry, you have a different strategy, which I would share some other time, but generally how it works. This is the 5 EMA. This is the candle breaking it. So this is the candle where you will be a stop loss. 100, 107, 7 points. Suppose if it works, 7 points is 7 threes are 21. So it almost 122 it went, but still when it comes down, your stop loss is hit. This hits your stop loss. Do not worry about it. You will look for more opportunities. Where is the more opportunity? Watch here, the bomb. So when you stick consistently to one method, right, that is when your trading works. You have to stick to, you lost 7 points here, you lost 7 points here, 8 plus 7, 15 points, agreed? Now, this will be a stop loss. Now, how many points? 62 to 72, 10 points. Remember, this is expiry, that's the reason. Otherwise, you will always have less than 10 points. Now, where did it go? For 10 points, how many points you got? From 72, it went to 110. Why? Why we are making money? I lost here. Assume it's 20 points. But how many points I'm getting? 50 points you got, guys. 50 points. This is how it works. Now, say, for example, yesterday, I will show you. Why this is happening this way? Why? Sorry, this one. See, yesterday, opening candle, I told 16,700 on the channel as well. And we have an inside bar. What do you know about inside bar? I have given you weekly analysis, 4 pivot boss candles where you can make money. And this strategy involves same. Inside bar is a pause. Whoever breaks inside bar, that side market will move, right? Have I told you that? So if you remember that, what should be your entry point? This is index, remember. That is your entry point. This is your stop loss. Now this is 15,700. This is 15,700. Watch here. Is this below 5 EMA? So 80.71 will be a stop loss. Sorry. This will be your entry. 82 will be a stop loss. Your entry will be at 90 because I want less stop loss, guys. It's up to you. If you want to enter only after close also, I'm fine. So 92 is also fine. After the closing candle, you decide. Now, what should be your target? Your target should be 1:3, right? Long call. How much it is? 2.54, 3. Did it hit your target? So how many points stop loss you have? Here you have 10 points, monthly expiry. How many points you got from 92? You got 30 points, right? This is exactly how you need to use the strategy on the option chart, not on the index, whether it is bank nifty or nifty, whatever ATM options you are using, that is where you need to use, because this and this will have slightly different. Since it is money making, if you want to keep proper stop loss, this is where it's mental. Just put here, the moment the candle comes, you use it. If you're using this, you just need to follow only this where you can make maximum money. There is one more video called Scalping for Living. If you want, you can watch that also. That is also a gem of a strategy where you can make money very fast. Hope this video is helpful, especially if you're using Nifty and Bank Nifty. You have solid money. The time frame I have used is 5 minutes, and daily you can make money. Please do not dilute it with different indicators. Just use Camarilla. If you want float pivots, be my guest. It works like a charm on float pivots. You have the strategies. It's very simple. Near resistance, near support. If the price is outside, the price will move back to the mean. While it is moving back, you have maximum money. Some of the experts says if you have 15 minutes time frame and then breaks, you have even bigger money. Please do back test and trade. Please do share your, subscribe and show your love. Thanks a lot.